Welcome to Inside Their Houses. George Jones's house, often called his country gold estate, was a remarkable property that matched the stature of one of country music's most iconic voices. Located in Franklin, Tennessee, a wealthy and peaceful suburb about 15 minutes south of historic downtown Franklin and roughly 30 minutes from downtown Nashville, the estate reflected Jones's success and love of Southern life. The main residence was built in the early 1990s and spanned roughly 9,000 to 9,700 square feet, offering an expansive yet elegant take on a traditional Southern manor. With 4 bedrooms and about 7.5 bathrooms, the home featured a grand 2-story entryway, a sweeping staircase, oversized windows that filled the interior with light, and custom woodwork throughout. It also had amenities that went beyond the ordinary for a private home, including a private barbershop, a guest house, indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces, and a swimming pool with a pool house. The estate sat on what was originally around 78 to 80 acres of rolling Tennessee countryside, complete with green pastures, outbuildings, barns, ponds, and even a tour bus garage, making it suitable both as a private retreat and as a functional country property. Jones and his wife, Nancy, tried selling parts of the land over the years, and in 2013 sold about 54 acres for millions just before his death at age 81. Eventually, in 2015, Nancy Jones sold the remaining 24 to 25 acres and the mansion itself to private buyers, who plan to live there full-time. Architecturally and stylistically, the home stood out for its blend of Southern charm and formal design, with broad porches supported by white columns, high ceilings, and spaces meant for both family life and grand entertaining.